Hello guys, welcome to new and exciting video of Mr. Dog. Guys, in this video, I am going to discuss how to help your dog to overcome fear of loud noises. So let's start the video. First of all guys, understand the fear. What is fear is all about. First, it's essential to recognize that the fear of loud noises is common among dogs. Factors such as genetic, early experiences or even age can be contribute to this anxiety as well. Understanding that your dog's fear is a natural response which can help you to approach the stimulation with empathy and patience. So let's discuss the steps how you can overcome this with your dog. First of all is create a safe space. Guys, one of the most effective way to help your dog to feel secure is by creating a safe haven. This could be cozy corner in your home, equipped with their favorite blankets, toys, and perhaps any item of your clothing that carries your scent. When your dog feels overwhelmed, encourage them to retreat to its safe space. It should be quiet, dark, and away from windows to minimize the noise and visual distractions as well. Next one is use positive reinforcement. Guys, positive reinforcement can significantly aid in reducing your dog's fear. When a loud noise occurs, reward your dog for staying calm in their safe space. Always use treat, praise, or a gentle patting to reinforce their bravery. This will help them to associate loud noises with positive experiences rather than a fear. Next one is gradual desensitization. Guys, desensitization involves gradually exposing your dog to the source of their fear in a controlled manner. You can find recordings of loud noises starting at a low volume which engaging in a fun activity like playtime or training. Gradually increase the volume over time. Always ensure that your dogs remain calm, which is very much important thing. Always reward them for their bravery, allowing them to associate the noise with positive outcomes. The next one is consider calming products. Guys, various products are available to help to ease out your dog's anxiety. Anxiety wraps and jackets apply gentle pressure, which can have a calming effect. Additionally, consider natural supplements or pheromone diffuser designed to soothe the anxious pet. So always consult your animal's doctor before introducing any new product or treatment to your dog. The last one is, and the important one, professional help. Guys, if your dog's fear is severe and persistent, seeking help from a professional dog trainer or a veterinarian behaviorist may be necessary. This can provide tailored strategies and techniques to help your dog to overcome their anxiety level. So guys, I'm hopeful that this video will be very much helpful for you in training your dog. So keep watching and keep sharing Mr. Dog.